Hello, welcome to our channel. And if you want to export contacts on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then here's how to do it. First, you just need to go to contacts. Now from here, tap on this three dot button at the top right side. Now from here, you just need to tap on settings. Now if you go from your this dial pad or phone application, then you just need to go to the contacts, and you also need to tap on this three dot button, but here you'll find contact settings. So you just need to tap on contact settings. These two option is exact the same, so you can go with one of them. Now from here you'll find export contacts, tap on it and allow all the permission on here, and here you'll have some contacts. You will get the numbers, how many contacts that you have on your device. Now you can export your all the contacts to your internal storage or your SIM. If you want to export it as a file, then it will save on your internal storage, or if you want to move it from your device to the SIM, then you can export it to the SIM card of that are available right now on your device. Right now I'm going to export it on my internal storage, and you can also go with the SIM card and you can select all the contacts. Then you can simply tap on done, and from internal storage you just need to tap on it and click on export, and here you can see contacts.vcf has been exported to your internal storage. So that's been okay. Now if I go to the storage from here, then go to the documents, and from here I will, sorry, not this, if I go to the recent here, if I go to the recent here, just now recent file, this is my recent file, that is actually contact.vcf. so here you can see all the numbers and the names of the peoples the person has just saved in this list. So that's how you can simply export all the numbers on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or or in the Samsung Galaxy S25. The both device settings are pretty similar, so don't get confused. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any confused yet, then leave it on our comments and we will get back to you as soon as possible.